This device right here is going to help you improve your storytelling skills. Hi, I'm Lynn Graff, and I help founders and creatives tell and create great stories. Let's face it, your phone is always on you. So what you want to do is use that to your advantage and turn that device into your own storytelling studio. So one of the things you can use is this app right here. It's called Voice Memo. Voice Memo is a way to record audio of you telling your story. And that's going to help you tell you how long your story is. It's going to help you listen to it. It's going to enable you to see if you're saying uhs and ahs or these uncomfortable kind of tonalities that you're using. So always think about that audio recording device as your own personal audio studio. The second one that you want to use is the camera, the way that I'm making this particular video right here. Use this camera to film yourself, because one thing you'll learn very quickly when you see yourself on video, you're going to see all the things you're doing. Are you sitting here very static? Are you using your hands? Do you sound natural? Is your tonality going up and down? How does that feel when someone's watching? So use that phone to help you improve your storytelling bites, whether you're driving, whether you're sitting in between meetings, or maybe you're in an Uber ride. You can always use that to help you improve your storytelling.